Ayan guys, today I'm going to cook corned beef. Ayan. Pure Foods corned beef is coming from Philippines. And caramelize lang natin yung onions at saka yung garlic. I love loads of onions kasi mura lang ang onions dito. Hindi katulad sa Pilipinas na ginto ang onions. Dali lang. Guys, look at this. Sa ilalim, ang dami pang tira kasi I think they are all fat. So, I'm not going to put them. Ooh. I'm not gonna put them. Too much fat is not good for us. Yan. Tapos may tinanggal pa akong konting fats dyan. Daming fats eh.